All right, so I'm going to do a video series on this book right here, Employee Engagement 2.0, and how the author Kevin Kruse made $20,000 to $25,000 a month from this little, I don't know, what is this, 75, 80-page book. This is going to be a 3 or 4 part video series, and in this video I wanted to share that Kevin Kruse is not my client. He's someone in the industry who's done exactly what I tell people how to do. He's done it with amazing success. So I wanted to break down and dissect what's worked for him. And number one is you've got to have a book, right? So I'm going to have a few more videos in this series breaking down his exact strategy and why it worked so well. But the way he was able to make money from this book is not from book sales. He maybe made $1,000 or $2,000 a month from his digital and paperback versions of this little 80-page book, but he was able to get high-end paid speaking deals from his book. And that is the strategy I want to break down in this video series. So if you're interested in that, like this video, leave a comment, and I'll send you some more information about it and about this strategy. But keep an eye out on this series over the next few days where I break down his exact strategy. But he did not make money from the book or from the sales. He used the book to get high-end speaking deals where he would charge anywhere from $7,500 to like $13,000, $14,000 per engagement. So keep an eye on this series, and I'll share this strategy with you. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video, and message me if you want to learn more about it one-to-one. Take care.